Hi everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll be installing a dash cam, as I was recently a victim of a hit and run, and while I already had a dash cam, it didn't record anything because it didn't have parking mode. So some asshole just hit and ran my car. I'm so furious right now.
This was my old dash cam, which was bulky and plugged into my cigarette lighter, and it turned off when the car was off. I ordered the Thinkware F800 Pro front and rear cameras and hardwiring cable. This is what the front dash cam looks like. Here's the cables it comes with some mounts, and a 32 gig micro SD card and adapter. So first I need to get to the fuse box by turning the two knobs on these sides. Then pull out the cover, which actually holds the fuse diagram on the back. I used a Torx T25 to loosen the grounding post screw. I bought these two diffuse taps from a local store and paid way too much, so try to buy it online in advance. Use a wire crimper and connect the diffuse to the battery and accessory wires of the Thinkware hardwiring cables. Use the fuse diagram to locate the battery and accessory fuses. On my E93, they were fuse number 53 and 57. Remove the fuse puller and use it to clamp down on the fuse and pull out. Insert the original fuse into the diffuse on the side closer to the prongs. Use a new fuse for the other side. This dash cam only requires a 3 amp fuse, but I'm matching the amperage of the original fuse. Attach the grounding terminal to the grounding bolt and tighten the bolt. Replace the original fuse with the new diffuse assembly back in the correct spots. Pull the wires around to the side and then through the hole to the bottom. Estimate how much cable you'll need and then just start hiding the cable by using a plastic trim tool to tuck it in. In some places you may have to pry some parts off. I ran the rear cable along the passenger side. This is the rear cam. I don't have a rear window to attach it to since it's a convertible. I then attach the front cam. The dash cam slides into the mount and it clicks when it's on right. Here you can see the indicator lights for when the recording, GPS, and Wi-Fi are on. To set up the dash cam, you need to use a PC or download the mobile app, which I thought may be a pain in the butt, but it's actually really easy to use. The video is full 1080p HD resolution with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, so it covers a lot. The 32 gig micro SD card, which is included, stores over 400 minutes of continuous footage before looping begins to erase older files. This is the view from my rear cam. Since I have a convertible, I'm unfortunately unable to mount it higher for a better view, but I'm happy to at least get an idea of what's going on back there. At night, the camera can record in low light using Super Night Vision 2.0, so it's very clear and bright. This is parking mode and I selected time lapse. There are other energy-saving options such as having it turn on within 1 second when motion or impact is detected by the built-in sensor.
So overall, I'm really happy with the quality of the video and the angles that are covered. It's so much more discreet now than what I had before, and I'm so relieved that it's now going to be recording while I'm away from my car. The install was pretty easy too, easier than I expected. Thanks to my friend Jimmy for helping me, and thanks for watching.